Okay, so apart from the typical ways genes can get passed down, there are a couple more cool patterns to explore: incomplete dominance and codominance. These fall under what we call multiple allele inheritance. We're going to start with the first of the two, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a fascinating genetic phenomenon where neither alleles completely dominate the other. Instead of one allele masking the effects of the other, as in a classic dominant-recessive relationships, incomplete dominance results in a blending or an intermediate phenotype of heterozygous individuals. I'll give you a classic example. You can imagine two alleles for a trait, and one might produce red flowers with big R, and the other white flowers with little r. In incomplete dominance, when you cross these purebred lines, so an individual that is homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive, the offspring, which must be heterozygous, doesn't show pure red or pure white flowers. Instead, they exhibit a completely new phenotype, pink flowers. This occurs because neither the red allele nor the white allele is fully dominant over the other. Rather, they blend together to produce a third unique colour. This blending effect in incomplete dominance is often likened to mixing paint colours. Just as red and white paint can blend to create pink, alleles in incomplete dominance combine to create a new expression of the trait. This blending is not limited to flower colour. It can be observed in various traits among different species. Think when you breed two dogs together, a blonde dog and a black dog, you will occasionally get brown as your offspring, and that is an example of incomplete dominance. But furthermore, incomplete dominance doesn't necessarily mean a strict 1 to 2 to 1 genotypic-phenotypic ratio like classic Mendelian genetics. The phenotypic ratio in the offspring, 1 to 2 to 1, represents a homozygous dominant, 2 heterozygous, and 1 homozygous recessive. Each genotype contributes to the overall spectrum of phenotypes observed, demonstrating the complexity and variability introduced by incomplete dominance.